Question number 1 is what is the purpose of stakeholder engagement in ESG? Options are to maximize short-term profits, to ensure compliance with regulations, to create positive social impact, to minimize environmental impact. So the correct option will be option number C, that is to create positive and social impact. Question number 2 is life cycle assessment LCA is used to measure financial performance, evaluate environmental impact, assess social engagement, analyze corporate governance. So the correct answer for this question will be evaluate environmental impact. Question number 3 is which regulations emphasize corporate governance standards in the US? Options are SOX, TCFD, SASB, GRI. So the correct answer will be SOX, that is in option number A. So for question number 3, option number A will be the correct answer. Okay. Moving to the next question, question number 4. What is a potential benefit of adopting a circular economy model? Options are increased waste generation, reduced resource consumption, higher carbon footprint, limited innovation opportunities. So the correct answer will be reduced resource consumption. Okay, that is option number B. For question number 4, option B will be the correct answer. Question number 5 is what is the purpose of conducting formative research in social marketing? Options are to generate revenue for the companion, to test the effectiveness of advertising techniques, to gather insights about the target audience and their behaviors, and the last option is to evaluate the profit potential of the companion. So the answer for question number 5 will be option number C, to gather insights about the target audience and their behaviors. Okay. Question number 6 is social innovations in the financial sector often focus on maximizing profits for shareholders, reducing taxes for businesses, providing affordable and accessible financial services to the underprivileged. Option D is implementing high risk investment strategies. So the correct answer for this question will be option number C, that is providing affordable and accessible financial services to the underprivileged. Question number 7 is dash is a commonly used approach for evaluating the impact of social innovations. Answers are return on investment analysis, that is ROI analysis, market share analysis, cost benefit analysis, brand awareness analysis. So the appropriate one is option number C, that is cost benefit analysis. Okay. 3 more questions are remaining, so let's solve it. Question number 8 is what does scaling refer to in the context of social innovations? Options are measuring the impact of the innovation on a larger scale, replicating and expanding the innovation to reach more beneficiaries. Option number C is calculating the financial returns of the innovation, and option number D is collaborating with other organizations for implementation. So the correct answer for question number 8 will be option number B, replicating and expanding the innovation to reach more beneficiaries. Okay. So viewers, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it for getting upcoming week answers. If this video helps you at any instant, then please like the video and share it with your groups or needy ones. Okay. So 2 more questions. Question number 9 is social innovations that address global challenges such as climate change and poverty are often characterized by narrow focus on a specific local community, collaboration with a single organization, emphasis on generating high profits, scalable and adaptable solutions. So the correct answer for this question will be scalable and adaptable solutions. Okay, that is option number D. For question number 9, option D will be the correct answer. Okay. Question number 10 is socio-juridical innovations are primarily concerned with environmental sustainability, technological advancements, legal and policy changes, cultural diversity. So the correct answer for this question will be legal and policy changes. Okay, so we have solved all questions. Let's submit it. Thanks for watching the video. Please share the video. Thank you.